Up, squeeze, control it back down. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Great job. Come on, stay with me. Squeeze, control it back down. Starting position. Focus on keeping your elbow directly below your shoulder, legs bent at a 90-degree angle, keeping your upper leg straight. As you come up, you're going to push your hips slightly forward, squeezing the glutes, holding briefly before releasing back down. That is 1 rep. We'll perform 15 reps on each side. Ready? Let's go. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Great. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Great job. Come on, stay with me. Squeeze, control it back down. Up, squeeze. Good work, good work, good work, good work. Keep it up. Squeeze, back down. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Come on, keep it up. Stay focused with me. Up, squeeze, control it back down. Up, squeeze, control it back down. 5 more. Squeeze. Let's go. Squeeze. Last 3. Come on. Squeeze. Last 2. Squeeze. This is it right here. Come on. Squeeze. Control it back down. Now we're going to transition to the other side for 15 more reps. Squeeze, control it back down. You're doing great. Come on, squeeze, control it back down. Make sure you focus on maintaining good position, making sure that your elbow stays directly below your shoulder, squeezing the glutes. You're doing great. Come on, keep it up. And up, back down, up, back down. Come on, stay with me. Up, back down. Up, back down. Come on, come on, keep up, keep up. Up, back down. We have 5 more. Come on, stay with me. Squeeze. 4 more. Squeeze. Squeeze. Last 2. Squeeze. This is it right here. Come on, finish strong. Squeeze. Great job.